your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problems with your Messenger. So if Messenger couldn't load some messages, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, you just need first thing, just try to close your Messenger and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. If you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Messenger, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Messenger. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.